Asana Review Usage Experience. In this video, I'll go over Asana's features, usability, and performance to help you determine if it's the right project management tool for you. Links to Asana are included in the description below. Asana is a powerful project management platform designed for individuals, teams, and businesses to plan, organize, and track work efficiently. It offers multiple view options like List View, Board View, Kanban style, Timeline, Gantt chart, and Calendar View, allowing users to customize their workflow based on project needs. Tasks can be assigned, prioritized, and tracked, with options to add due dates, attachments, dependencies, comments, and custom fields for better organization. One of Asana's standout features is its workflow automation. With Asana's rules, repetitive tasks can be automated, saving time and reducing manual errors. Integrations with popular apps like Slack, Google Drive, Microsoft Teams, and Zoom further enhance its functionality, making it a centralized hub for collaboration. The goal-setting feature helps teams stay aligned with company objectives, ensuring all projects contribute to the bigger picture. Asana is built for team collaboration, allowing members to discuss tasks, update statuses, and share files in real time. The Reporting and Dashboard feature provides insights into workload distribution and project progress, helping managers make data-driven decisions. Additionally, Asana offers a mobile app so users can track and manage tasks from anywhere. The free plan is great for individuals and small teams, offering unlimited tasks, projects, and messages. The paid plans unlock advanced features like timeline view, custom automation, and improved security, making them ideal for growing businesses and enterprises. With its intuitive interface, robust automation, and flexibility, Asana is an excellent tool for managing tasks and projects efficiently. Whether you're handling personal to-dos, team projects, or company-wide initiatives, Asana keeps everything structured and organized. If you're looking for a feature-rich project management solution, Asana is a top contender. Check out the link in the description for more details. Thanks for watching.